There's no discipline more ripe for artificial intelligence than geospatial intelligence. If you look at the proliferation of innovation in space, combined with the continued need for new drone technology, these two things are at the pinnacle of what will drive innovation in the artificial intelligence, geospatial intelligence market. As launch costs plummet, new innovation will occur in space. We'll be testing out new sensors, multi-sensor packages in space like never before. If you combine that with what's happening on the modern battlefield in Ukraine and elsewhere with drone technology, this rapid innovation in drone technology and the need to counter drone technology is also going to lead to a massive explosion in geospatial intelligence need. Think about the amount of data that a GeoInt sensor can produce with its imagery and video. You're talking about petabytes and petabytes of information in any battlefield. When you combine the drone-based information with the manned asset information, with the space-based information, artificial intelligence is going to be the key to putting it all together into one cohesive battlefield picture for decision makers. Right now, the artificial intelligence packages used to analyze satellite imagery are relatively weak. They can recognize things like certain types of aircraft and vehicles, but as that technology evolves, the resolution of the imagery gets better and better. Those two things are going to lead to more automated target recognition.